This is Venance, aka Miss.Cameroon, and I am back with a new video. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and click that subscribe button down below and join the crew. I wanted to talk and sit down today because I feel like I haven't done a talk and sit down video in forever. A lot has been going on in my DMs, guys, so I always get all these comments about wigs, weaves, makeup, all that stuff. Whenever I post me in like wigs or makeup, I always get like a bunch of people, you don't need all this fake hair, blah blah blah, you don't need this. I know I don't need it, okay? So I wanted to talk about this wig situation, okay? It's a very good topic and it's a very interesting topic, so I just wanted to talk about it. Talk about like when I first started wearing wigs and weaves and all that stuff. So I first started wearing weaves and wigs when I was like only weaves. Like I started doing braids and extensions when I was probably like, I was young, maybe like middle school. I started making my own wigs when I was like in high school. I started doing that method, the gluing method, you know, when you like glue the hair, maybe like my junior year. And I remember I discovered that and I thought it was so cool. I used to change my hair like every week at school. So in high school, that's when I started doing this, like changing hair all the time. Why do I wear wigs and stuff? So my first reason why I wear wigs and weaves and all that is because I have natural hair. Like I am not bald, y'all. I am not bald. Natural hair is so hard to take care of. It is. Like I don't have time to always condition my hair and always style my hair. I don't have time for that, okay? I don't. Next topic, why I wear wigs is because that's how I express myself. For example, if I get like, let's say I get like my last video, I had like a red wig. If I get a red wig, I'm gonna be like, okay, boom, red wig. So I have to create a makeup that is like fierce. Like the makeup and the hair is just like, they all go together. And some of the comments is always like, why do most black women wear fake hair? Especially like white men that are the first people to say that in my comments or my DMs or whatever. They always feel like black girls wear wigs because, you know, they're bald or they don't have hair on there or they're insecure about their hair. Like, no. White girls wear fake hair too, but you can't see it because it blends so well with your hair. If I try to match like straight hair on my natural hair, it's not gonna look cute. That's why I have to like work extra hard to make it match, or I just make it into a wig because you can't see my natural hair with it. Black or white girls or Asian girls or what else? Like other girls, Spanish girls, even Spanish girls, they wear wigs, but you can't tell. You cannot because their hair texture is like those wigs, so you can't really tell. Cancer patient wear wigs. You know, they wear wigs because they don't like their hair fall out, so they want to wear the wigs. So, you know, they wear their wigs, they rock it. Who else? Old people wear wigs because their hair fall out. So honestly, it's just like, it's so annoying when I get those comments all the time. The comments just get so annoying. This video is not even about to bash anybody, like, because I think everybody is entitled of their own opinions. Like you can tell me your opinion and I'm not gonna get mad. Comments like this, like, why do only black women wear wigs? Like, no, not only black women wear wigs. Like a lot of different women, celebrities wear wigs and weaves, but you can't tell because they have, sometimes I feel like they got money to make it look good. The majority of black women do wear wigs, okay? The majority of black women wear wigs, but maybe some women are insecure and, you know, they don't want to show their hair. Also, I feel like some women wear fake hair because some guys might make them feel insecure about their natural hair. I've never experienced that. I had friends that their boyfriends or whoever did not. What do you mean, who, bitch? Don't worry about it. Like their boyfriends or whoever would not want them to wear their hair out, the natural hair out. They would be like, ew, like I don't like your natural hair, you know, blah blah blah. So they will always wear their fake hair and they felt insecure about it, you know. I've never experienced that. Most guys that I date, they love my hair. They love my natural hair. They never make me feel insecure about me wearing wigs ever. I only maybe one guy, but I was never insecure about it. He just always like, oh, I want you to wear your hair out more often. I want you to wear your, like, okay. Like I will wear it once in a while, but it's like, I don't always want to have my hair out because my hair is just gonna crumble. And I just want to say this, that I want to encourage some women that you can wear wigs and stuff, but I just don't like when they wear 24/7. There's some girls that wear fake hair 24/7. Sewings 24, they keep their sewings for like months and they don't take care of their natural hair. They don't want to take care of their hair and they just wear the fake hair. Like, it's not, I don't agree with that. I think that you can wear the hair, but just make sure that you take care of your own hair, because you're going to damage your hair and it's not good. Okay, I try to take care of my hair like every 2 weeks. I wash my hair every 2 weeks, but I like co-wash and stuff. I think I am done with this video. I hope I didn't ramble too much. So go ahead and give me your opinion down below. Comment down below and let me know what you think about this topic. Guys, I'm wearing a jacket because it is freaking cold in my house. So it is cold. Thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Miss.Cameroon. Like, share, comment this video, and I hope to see you on my next one. This was just my opinion. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.